One item that needs a regular check on a caravan is the condition of the tyres. A well-maintained tyre can prevent any serious incident, either from a blowout or detachment. I have seen hundreds of delaminated tyres on caravans that have caused thousands of pounds of damage and even serious injury. Hi, I'm Alan from Caravan Information Services, and in this video we will check the wear and tear, the condition, the age, and also discuss the legal requirements of caravan tyres. Let's start by checking the condition of the tyres.
Unlike cars, trucks, vans, motorbikes and push bikes, caravan trailers' tyres very rarely wear out. However, the condition of the tyre can degrade in other ways. Caravan tyres are conventional road tyres used for light vans that can handle a greater load capacity. If you've recently purchased a second-hand caravan, it is essential that you check the tyres are the correct size and rating for your caravan. A great resource for checking that your tyres are suitable for the caravan is TyreSafe, where they offer information and data for tyres and their suitability for use on caravans. A thorough check of the tyres is strongly recommended after the caravan has been sat idle for some time or at the beginning of the season. So if the tyres do not wear out, what exactly are we looking for? Well, caravan tyres spend the majority of their life stationary and in one position, and this can lead the tyres to crack. Checking the sidewalls, we are looking for any signs of small cracks, and if you see any, then we need to replace the tyres before we travel. Also, while looking at the sidewalls, look for any damage, nicks, cuts or bulges. Don't forget there are two sidewalls to the tyre, and the other side also needs checking. The best way to do this is to get under the caravan and look at the opposite side. So let's get a torch, head out underneath the caravan and look at the inside of the tyre. Don't be afraid to use your hands to rub around the tyre surface and check that everything is okay. You may also need to roll the caravan forward to check the entire tyre. Here is a great example of what we're looking for. Cracks can spread from the centre outwards, but also around the circumference. It's important that we don't just check the sidewalls, but also the edge where the tread blocks meet the side walls as well. So once we've checked both sides of the tyre, we need to do exactly the same for the tread pattern. Although they rarely wear out, the law is quite clear that at least 75% of the surface of the tyre needs to have a tread of at least 1.6mm in depth. To check the depth, we can use a depth gauge or a 20p piece. The surface of the tread should also not have any evidence of cracks, splits or cuts. If you find a stone caught in the tread, use a blunt tool such as a teaspoon to lever it out and check that the tyre has not been damaged by the stone. Again, you'll need to move the caravan forward to check the entire surface of the tyre. Once we're happy that the tyre is in good roadworthy condition, there are just a few other checks that we need to make. First of all, let's check the age of the tyre. We can tell the age of the tyre by looking at the date code. We are looking for the marking of DOT, and there will be some letters and numbers specifying the batch number and even the location that this tyre was made, but we will see 4 numbers at the end. This will tell us the week and year when the tyre was made, and on this tyre we can see the date code of 2221. This tells us that this tyre was made on week 22 in 2021, somewhere between May the 31st and June the 6th. It's recommended that the caravan tyres are changed between 5 and 7 years of age. Now this is just a recommendation, it's not law and it's not enforceable from any campsite associations or insurance companies that the tyre must be changed. However, it's common sense that this recommendation is observed. The final check is tyre pressure. Using a digital or analog pressure gauge, we can read the tyre pressures easily. Modern caravans have the required tyre pressures documented on the side of the caravan. If not, using resources like TyreSafe will give the correct information.
That's it for now. We hope you have found this video useful. Check out the other help and advice videos in the services on our website. And while you're there, why not join the UK's fastest growing caravan and motorhome community? We offer great membership perks, including live chat support with an engineer for specialist and emergency advice. Hope to see you soon. Happy caravanning.